Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan here, your English teacher. This time I have taken the chapter, the last lesson, to describe its story and the main theme of the story. So the last lesson is set in the days of the Franco-Prussian War, 1870 to 1871, and it was led by Bismarck. Prussia defeated France, and the French districts of Alsace and Lorraine passed into Prussian hands. The two protagonists of this story, Mr. Hamel and French, belong to Alsace. Mr. Hamel is a French language teacher at a school, and French is one of his students. So the story revolves around how the war proves to be a life-altering event for both. So here French is a sensitive and honest schoolboy who accepts his fault of ignoring his lessons, and M. Hamel, he is a sincere and strict teacher of the French language who is passionately patriotic. So in the first paragraph, French is reluctant to go to school. He doesn't want to go to school because his teacher M. Hamel had given homework to learn participles, and he didn't learn even a single word. So he didn't want to go to the school. And on the way of his school, he saw the bulletin board, and there was written something, and people they had gathered to know about that. And when he went to the school, he also saw his teacher with a sudden change in his behavior, and French notices many unusual things at school, as it was not like that previously it was, and no hustle and bustle there, no crowd, no noisement was there, total silence was there. So when he was in his class, then he came to know by his teacher that there was the order from Berlin to teach only German language instead of French. Then when he heard these things, then he was regretful for not learning French seriously, and he was wasting his time. Then it was just like, those words were just like a thunderclap for French, and then he came to know that French will not be taught from the next day, and only German language will be taught. So then for that reason, Hamel was very sad. You can see here, he was very sad and upset, and he was regretful for not teaching his students sincerely, and many times he also had given them holidays because he wanted to go for fishing, and he wanted them to water his flowers. So he held responsible for not learning French language to those parents who always would send their children to the field and to the mills also to earn money and to do work on the field. So for that reason, he held his responsible for parents also. And M. Hamel also criticized himself that I am also responsible for not teaching you sincerely French language. After that, he taught the importance of French language as a mother tongue, and he told that French language is very beautiful and logical language, and also he told that if anyone is stick to mother tongue, it is the key to their prison. So as long as people are attached to their language, so it is just they have the key to their prison. After that, he said that this is the last lesson, and then he had given copies to write something, and then it was totally calm and silence in the class, because all the people, they were silent because they were thinking that this was the last lesson for the French language. So, and here pigeons, they were cooing, they cooed very low, and then French thought ki kya जर्मन्स इनको भी कहेंगे कि यू हैव टू स्पीक इन फ्रेंच. मीन्स all the people, they were depressed there, that they will not be able to speak their own mother tongue from the next day. After explaining about the last lesson, then finally M. Hamel sat motionless in his chair. Franz thought that M. Hamel wanted to imprint this classroom scene in his mind. For 40 years he had given his faithful service to the school, and now his sister was packing their stuff to move from there, and all this must have been really heartbreaking for him. So M. Hamel stood up. It was very evident that he had become emotional too. He tried to speak, but it choked his voice, throat, my friends, and he could not speak. Then he wrote Voila France on the blackboard, and he was very sad at that time. He was unhappy, he was depressed because he was leaving the place. And then in the last he said, school is dismissed, you may go. So this is the story based on totally importance of mother tongue, and how much we should give importance to our mother tongue, because this mother tongue is only key to our prison. We can be free. It is the key to prison. So here, because mother tongue is always attached with culture and other things also here, so we have to protect our mother tongue, and we have to protect our country as well. Okay students, thank you and Jai Hind.